is in WMS Cloud, Warehouse Management System Cloud. Warehouse Management System is a mission critical process and is a very niche field, means you won't see that many people who know how the WMS system works. That's why people who work in this technology earn more. In this course, I'll teach the fundamentals and key concepts you need to know for implementing or using the WMS cloud application. First, you will learn the basics in warehouse management system, types of warehousing transactions, and some key business process flow. Throughout the course, I'll give tips and tricks on the functionality as well as implementing WMS Cloud as a standalone or with Oracle SCM Cloud, Supply Chain Management Cloud. I will also talk about how you can position yourself in the current job market for working on projects in WMS Cloud. I have used a case study about an industrial manufacturing company using Oracle WMS Cloud to solve their warehousing challenges and streamlining the whole end-to-end process. I'll refer to this case study throughout the course. The agenda for this course is: first, I'll give you an overview of the Warehouse Management Systems Cloud. In this section, I will also talk about some fundamental concepts in a typical warehouse management systems. Then I will talk about some of the key process flows like inbound, outbound transactions and inventory allocation transactions supported in Oracle WMS Cloud. I will also talk about some value-added services like how to print labels for storage and shipments and much more. In WMS, shipping documents generation and shipping labels creation based on customer requirements are very important. I'll talk about in detail about those topics. Safe Harbor Statement: the development, release and timing of any features or functionality described for Oracle's products remains at the sole discretion of Oracle. Here I will talk about the devices that can be used for doing warehousing transactions in WMS Cloud, as well as the models for each of those devices used by WMS Cloud customers to perform warehousing transactions. I will show a demo on how WMS Cloud performs inbound, outbound and value-added services using desktop as well as using a radio frequency mobile handheld terminal. I will talk in detail about the inventory allocation process flow, starting from booking the sales orders all the way to shipping those orders. I will also talk in detail about how orders can be grouped into waves and released to warehouse for subsequent pick, pack, consolidate and shipping processes. Here is a screenshot of how the mobile UI in Oracle WMS Cloud looks like. In this example, I'll show the screen prompts when the user is trying to do a value-add services in Oracle WMS Cloud. This can help you in visualizing the process flow, how to configure the system well to improve the productivity of the warehouse. Okay. The preceding information is intended to outline Oracle General Product Direction. It is intended for information purposes only and may not be incorporated into any contract. I will upload quiz and necessary documentation for you to build your skill on WMS. I will also update you the latest publicly released functionalities which can help you in your career. Once you complete the course, please feel free to ask questions. I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. And also, please start planning for Oracle Cloud certifications because the requirements from the customer is the systems integrator who is going to implement cloud solution need to have some kind of partner certification from Oracle. This will also help you sell your skills in the ERP cloud job market. Thanks for patiently watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and blog post to get more information about my upcoming courses as well as some good information for everyone who wants to build a career out of ERP cloud applications as well as supply chain management in my channel. as well as blog posts. All the best and good luck.